Hey everyone. Do you love crows? Me too. I have this little nightlight and I had this little crow 3D printed by the dude. And I was wanting to do some stained glass stuff when I want to put the crow on top. Does that sound good? You want to do it? You here with me? Alright, let's do it. I have some liquid leading here, which is like an imitation, I believe. It's like simulated liquid leading. I'm not going to be too particular about the design that I do here. I just need to kind of create some lines and some gaps and what have you. Kind of thought about doing it like a leaf shape, but I don't want to lock myself into a leaf shape because if it starts looking stupid, then I don't want to have stupid leaves. Let's just start over. I've never done this, okay? Why are you judging me? So unlike my usual where I would aim to come in here and fill every little bit of this in, I don't want to do that here. I want to leave some gaps because I want to come in with the flakes and all that. So we're going to leave it. We're going to leave it. I'm going to flip it over. Try not to screw it up. I might have to wait and do the other side. I don't think I'm going to be able to flip it over. Maybe I can. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, it's getting blobby on me. I think it's just because it's old. I got real blobby. Oh, I almost touched the front of this one. See? Gotta be careful. Crap. Well, screwing it up. It has such a strange texture to it. I'm not gonna worry about this too much because that's gonna get filled in. Let's try to clean it up. Okay. What's these chunks? It's so weird. Stuff is strange. Again, you know, I've never played with this stuff. It seems like it's glue. I think it's glue. Well, anyway, okay, I'll leave that one. I'm gonna attempt to flip this over and do it on this side, which I cannot move. Okay, no. Let's try like this. Okay. We're not moving. I'm staying in this spot and I'm not moving. Okay, that's done. Well, okay. I'm just gonna leave it because I feel like if I'm overworking it, it's gonna get like that, and we don't. I don't even like that. I'm just gonna leave it because I don't think it will matter. Please don't let it matter. It won't matter. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna let that dry for however long it's supposed to dry. I don't even know. I need to read the directions. We'll be back. Okay. We're back. You know, in hindsight, I kind of wish I would have done this with the hand painter's resin, because it's like glue. And it started getting real blobby, but whatever. We're here. I got some fancy flakes I made. Got green. Got this bronzy, coppery color. What I'm going to do is put the green inside of the leaves and then the orange on the outside. That should be that. I'll use some UV resin. I'll probably just time-lapse through most of this because it's going to be a whole lot of putting resin down, putting flakes down, curing it, etc. Of course, I don't have to fully cure this until I'm done. Oh, here goes nothing. These are just some mica flakes that I colored myself. I would tell you that I would link the video down below, but I probably won't. But I don't really upload that much, so if you scroll back a few videos, you'll find it. Of course, there's not much to that. You just get yourself some raw mica flakes. Get some sort of binding agent, like glue or paint. And just start chucking some pigments at it. Hey, that looks pretty nice, huh? You hate it? Let's see, let me come up close. And when I get all these done, I'll just put a top coat on it. Or not, maybe I'll just leave it like it is. I might possibly come in here and color the little leaf design, like gold or something. I'm not sure. I don't love it. Do you love it? I don't know. Maybe it'll look different with the light on. We'll see. We'll see. It's always good to keep your options open. You don't have to get locked into any single idea. Then I'll just do a little spot with the orange, and then we'll go into time lapse. This is going to take a minute. Hopefully it doesn't seep down the edges. I didn't even think about that. Yeah, so that's going to take a bit. What I'm probably going to have to end up doing is coming back in here with like a black liner and picking those black lines back up, because I think the separation is going to be lost. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to go into time lapse. We'll be back when I finish this. It's going to take a while. Okay, that's done. My finish is a little shoddy, but whatever. I don't care. Jenny's not gonna care. I'm not letting Jenny have it. Forget you. You know, it's hard, like, top coating this because it's hard to keep it level. I kept propping a bunch of stuff under it and it just wouldn't stay level. So what I'm probably going to do is put the chrome on and then go out and flood coat it. I'm not sure. I'll figure it out. For the sake of time, I'm going to just use some UV resin. Now, I want to put him on the top because I think that'd be hella cute. However, he's going to be like up against the wall. You know, it sits flat against the wall and he'll be pushed up against the wall and it won't work. And so I can either let his little footsie hang off of there like that. I don't want his little footsie hanging off. Or I just put him on the edge. Which, I don't know. I think maybe we'll just put him on the edge. What do you think? Can we get a vote? I'm going to think about it. We'll see. Okay. You know what I could possibly do is scrunch his little feet in. Oh, I broke it. No. Actually, that might be a good thing. Because then I can definitely wedge his foot over. Don't be so judgy. And I'm going to put a tiny little bit of UV resin there where his little leggy broke. Oops. But see, that was a happy accident because that allowed us to position him the right way. We meant it to be that way, okay? Alright, that's it. Do you love it? I love it. It's so cute. I'm going to go plug it into the wall and let you see it lit up. And if you got this far into the video, as always, I appreciate you watching. Hope you learned something. Hope you tried something. Till next time, folks.